Introduction. This video is for everyone working with social media, traffic, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and other platforms. All you need is a smart link from Monitag, a special link designed to take visitors to the most relevant offers. Main website is https:/monitag.com. Smart link, same https monitag.com/format/smart link. Second, why choose Monitag Smart Link? There are many smart links from different platforms and CPA networks. Unlike many other platforms, Monitag has been on the market for many years and work with thousands of advertisers from all over the world, which means competitive CPM rates and good payouts for publishers, ads for users from any GEO, fast payouts starting from just $5, 24/7 support. And third, registration is Monitag. You can get a smart link direct registering on Monitag. Just publishers.monitag.com/sign up. Important, remind reviewers to provide real data during registration, otherwise they won't be able to withdraw their earning later. Fourth, exploring the dashboard after registration. Direct https:/publishers.monitag.com/direct link. Here you can get this smart link, also known as direct link, statistics. Publishers.monitag.com/statistics. Here you will find data on CPM, earning, and impressions. Payments. Publishers.monitag.com/earning. This section shows earning and available payout methods and referral program. Publishers.monitag.com/referral program. Here you can get a referral link for every publisher who registers via your link. You will receive a 5% commission. And fifth is what to do with Monitag Smart Link. Next, placement the smart link on your blog, website, or landing page. Make sure to show how to do it. Add the link to post on Facebook or Twitter, etc. Recommended an article in these posts, inside which there is a button with this smart link. How it works: a user click the button with the smart link. Second, they are redirected to relevant ads. Third is you earn money. Example of how this was implemented in one of the Monitag videos. You can see this video, very informative.